So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing quiz. So first of all, click on Start Lab and here are the questions. You have to read the questions and try to answer yourself. So basically we are testing yourself. So the answer will be yes. You guessed it right. Let's check. Yes, the answer is environment. Now the second question is regarding the CX. So basically it's very easy. It's agent version. Now the next query is, yes, basically it is the name of the lab only. You must have completed the lab also. Now here you have to just select it. The answer will be output tag. Okay, the answer will be output tag. You need not to worry about it. Now for the next question, basically in this trivia quiz, what we do, we complete all the quizzes and after that we have to wait for some time. Now just check it again and again. Now here when you will face some kind of issue, like if you try to answer, chances are there people will comment wrong answer. So here basically we have covered the week 1 quiz. So now you have to wait for at least 3 to 4 minutes and then in the lab you will be able to get the badge tick mark. So that's all about today. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.